Hey guys, welcome back to this session, and in this session we'll talk about features of COBOL. As you know that COBOL is predominantly used for business oriented applications, and being an old programming language, it is still holding the ground due to its features. The following are the important features of COBOL. So the first one is standard language. COBOL is a standard programming language. This means that COBOL compiler are made available by different third-party vendors on almost all type of computers or computing platform. All these compiler manufacturers adhere to the norms set by ANSI. The second one is robust language. COBOL is a highly robust programming language. This means that there are a number of testing and debugging tools available for COBOL programs on almost all kinds of computing platform. These tools are developed by different third-party vendors based on the ANSI directives. Third one is English-like language. COBOL is an English-like language and it is very user-friendly. All instructions are coded using English words rather than the complex code. For instance, if you want to read a record from the file, then you will use the verb read. So COBOL is relatively easy to understand. Now the next one is structured programming capability. The term structured programming refers to a collection of techniques that help a programmer to develop structured program. And as you know that COBOL program is divided into different divisions and each division has its own significance. So for example, if you want to include your business logic, you generally use procedure division, and in procedure division, the business logic can be divided into paragraph or sections. And these paragraph or sections can be executed or re-executed as per your requirement. So in nutshell, you are writing a COBOL program by using a top-down approach, and it is more readable and you can easily understand the business functionality or the business logic behind that particular program. COBOL is scalable, reliable with an excellent file and database handling capabilities. COBOL can very well handle huge volume of transactions, and due to this fact, COBOL still handle more than 70% of world business transaction. COBOL is suitable for everything from simple batch reporting to complex banking transactions. COBOL is platform independent and it supports object-oriented programming. That means you can write your business logic in form of classes and then you can use those classes in your program. Last but not the least, for applications written in COBOL, the cloud offers another platform for rapid deployment and modernization. Because COBOL is both adaptive and highly portable, thus COBOL system can be quickly redeployed to a virtual or cloud platform with no change. So till now, if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.